In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer login on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have customer accounts enabled so your shoppers can sign in, view their order history, and manage their details directly from your store. First, make sure you're logged in as an admin to your Shopify store. Start on your Shopify dashboard, which is the main home screen you see after logging in. This is where you can view your recent orders, traffic, and important store updates. Take a second to confirm you're in the right store if you manage more than one, because any changes you make here will only apply to the store you're currently viewing. From the dashboard, look to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is the control center for everything that happens behind the scenes in your Shopify store, from payments and checkout to notifications and customer accounts. It's a good habit to get comfortable navigating this area, since most store configuration happens here. Once the settings page opens, find and click on the option labeled Customer Accounts. This section is dedicated to how your customers sign up, log in, and interact with their personal information on your store. If you've never been here before, you might see that accounts are disabled by default, which means customers can only check out as guests. Inside the customer account settings, look for a section called Sign-in Links. This is where you control whether your storefront shows login options to your visitors. You should see a toggle next to Show Sign-in Links. To turn on customer logins, click that toggle so it switches to the On position. When this is enabled, Shopify will automatically add sign-in links to key areas of your online store theme, such as the header or the checkout, depending on your theme's layout. Customers will now be able to create an account, log in, and return later to see their orders and saved information. After turning the toggle on, scroll through the page and make sure there are no additional options you want to adjust, such as whether accounts are optional or required at checkout. When you're happy with your settings, your changes are saved automatically, so there's no extra save button to worry about. To test everything, visit your storefront in another tab, refresh the page, and look for the login or account link. If you see it, you've successfully added customer login to your shop.